Okay, paano mo nga ba gagawing mas productive ang araw mo? Ito yung palaging tanong sa sarili ko nung di pa ako nagsisimula to become the better version of me. And after a month, I already knew the answer. Simply by creating your daily, weekly, and monthly planner, and also having a vision board. Piliin natin na maging busy sa bawat araw pa paano natin mapapalago yung sarili natin. And kung puro ka pa rin cellphone, nood ng memes, paunti-unti bawasan mo siya at ituon sa podcast. Exercise, meditation, journal, and learning a new skill. I've been doing this for 43 days ng tuloy-tuloy at masasabi kong worth it siya. Kasi nalaman ko yung purpose ko in life na hindi ako hanggang dito lang. Someday, magpapasalamat ako sa sarili ko dahil sa proseso. And before we end this video, here's a simple reminder to become a productive person. You've got 6 glorious months to light a fire under those dreams and launch yourself towards success. And by the way, this is day 43 of my self-improvement journey and day 5 of trying to reach 6-figure income a month, part 2. See you guys tomorrow.